Hello and thank you for watching Peace, Love, and Guns. Today I've got something a little bit different. We're starting off the new year with a little bit of car maintenance. I've got 2007 2.5i from Subaru here, and we're going to change the oil on it. I've got a Fumoto oil valve in it, so it's a special treat for me today because this makes it a whole lot easier, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Some things that you might need to complete this are the appropriate amount of oil, 5 quarts. Blue shop towels are always handy. A pair of nitrile gloves to protect your mitts. One of these oil canisters. A funnel. And a set of ramps. These are Rhino ramps. They raise the car up just enough to get my fat butt underneath it and get to what I need to. It makes the job a whole lot easier than having to pull out a jack and some jack stands. You should note that you want to chock the rear wheels when you do this and put the parking brake on, good and firm. And just for good measure, the general tool set is always handy in case you run into little snags along the way. You can figure out some kind of solution. Let's get started. Hey, do you want to change the oil on Uncle Will's car? Hey, how easy is it to change the oil on your 2007 Subaru Impreza? Huh? Easy? Chock the rear wheels. Okay, so you ready to change the oil on this?
No.
No? You ready to change the oil?
No.
No? Okay. Sounds good to me. Here we have our oil container. We're going to just do this. We're going to just turn it. Alright, you see how it's coming down? Don't touch it, it's hot. And it's nasty. Alright, and we just let this drain. Alright, and you just clean up the tip there. Clean out your filter to make sure there's no sand or dirt or debris in there stuck to oil from previous changes. So thanks for watching Peace, Love, and Guns. I really appreciate those of you that share my videos. Make sure to comment and like, that helps us out. And if this video helped you out, definitely make sure to give us a like. And full disclosure here, I'm not sponsored by Fumoto, but I saw their product and I thought, man, that looks like a way easier way than undoing the bolt and then getting oil poured on me and all of that. It's kind of nasty. So this just makes that job a little bit easier. I want to thank all those people that constantly share my videos. Y'all are awesome. I love you. Couldn't do it without you. If you like this sort of content, or you're into Subarus, or maybe guns, or you want world peace and need more love and all that sort of thing, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell. That'll let you know when I put more videos up. I want to give a very special thanks to Robert Drapp. He runs a YouTube channel, Robert the Coroner Drapp, where he does Rob's Random ROMs among some other shows, where he takes Google's random number generator and he plays a random Nintendo NES ROM. If you think that's something that's up your alley, check the links in the doobly-doo down below me and go check out his channel. Give him a comment, a like, subscribe, all that helps. He's trying to build his channel up and he's been very supportive of what we're doing over here at Peace, Love, and Guns. Another special thank you is to Gray Fox Ranch. They usually enable us to do our gun videos. Nicole Briddon with Gray Fox Ranch is constantly sharing our videos, so we owe her a lot. And then as well as William with Gray Fox Gunsmithing, and of course the gun cleaners who provide us explosives and ammunition to do fun blowing stuff up videos. If any of that sounds like it might be entertaining to you, there's going to be links in the doobly-doo. You hit comment, subscribe, click the bell, and check all that other stuff out. Thanks. Have a good one.